Hey, remember about 8 years ago when I got these wheel skins? Yeah, you thought they were real mags, didn't you? They're plastic wheel skins. And a funny story, the other day, got out of my truck and I saw one was missing. They didn't fall off in 8 years. They're not stuck on there hard. They go over the lug nuts and you use the factory center cap. It's metal. This is plastic. Anyway, one was missing. Oh no. How am I gonna find it? I drove like 100 miles in 2 days. So I ordered a set of black ones. I'm gonna show you when I put them on. But in the meantime, we were traveling around, kind of retracing my steps, and we saw it alongside the road. So I saw the hubcap. I lost the hubcap the other day and I saw it on the road.
Right. Turn right onto New Jersey 57 East.
I can't believe it. I'm gonna go up and get it. Gotta be careful. Isn't that amazing? What's the chances? I went 100 miles in a day and I found it. Wheel skinned, not a hubcap. I see it. My hubcap. My lost wheel skin. You believe it? I'm 20 miles away from home. I don't even care if it's damaged. I just want the center cap. It has to be it. What other hubcap could be here? Yeah. I got a long walk. Careful. Woo-wee. What are the chances of that? Oh, that was a long walk. You don't see many hubcaps along the road these days, do you? Might as well put it back on, right? I don't know if I put it on correctly when I changed the brakes the other day. Look. That's all I need. Think you'll stay? That's awesome again. Welcome back. All right. Woo. Do you believe it? It was 20 miles away from where I live. We found that wheel cover right there. Wheel skin, I'm sorry. Look. Look. That's how I saw my wheel. I'm like, oh no, it fell off. And these just pop out, these center caps. They pop out and they go there. That's factory there. But I got some black ones. Oh, I got black center caps too. I'll show you them. But I could put the chrome ones in the black. Let me show you. I know you want to see this. Hope they're the right ones. So for about $60, $70, you can get yourself a new look for your truck. I'll put a link down there. Watch. Oh boy, it's like a new toy. Look at. Oh, oh, wait a minute. Let me go get the center caps. They're in the garage. Hang on. Here they are. Look at these. Got that cool Dodge Racing logo, see? I'm gonna scratch up because I was up on the roof. Look at that. You'll see that video, or you probably did. But pop these in the middle. Oh, it's gonna look nice, isn't it? Like I told you, we can put the original chrome center cap in there too. See, they just pop right out. Whoa! Yeah, I can put that in there. Like that. But I'm gonna go with these black ones for now, just to look different. Whoa! Watch how easy they go on. Watch it transform right before your very eyes. Look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that nice? I think so, for $66. Yeah. You're gonna think I got new mag wheels, aren't you? Let's put them all the way around. Okay. You like it, don't you? Come on out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll save these chrome ones for when I'm tired of the black ones, or I'll paint them red or something. Ain't that neat? See, they come off so easy, but they never fell off while I was traveling, except once in 8 years. And I did have black ones for a while, but I changed back to chrome, and I just saw these and I wanted them because the other ones were flat black. These are glossy. Look at that. Right over the lug nuts. Pop in the center cap. I had to buy these separate. If you buy these, you just pop out your chrome center cap and pop it in there like I showed you. Okay? Oh, I love it. Let me stand back and look at it before I put the other side on. Let's see. Oh yeah, see? That's nice. Isn't that cool looking? Yeah. For that amount of money, changes the look of the truck completely. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give yourself some of these. Love it.